Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Lessons of Srinivas. This is Srinivas, teacher of English. Today I come with relative clauses. In this video, you can watch what is relative clause and what are relative pronouns and how two sentences are combined with the suitable relative pronouns. Okay friends, are you ready? Let's watch. We can call the relative clause as adjective clauses. What is relative clause? Let me explain. Here two sentences will be given and you are asked to combine the two sentences using suitable relative pronouns like who or which or that. Here we have to know there are two methods of combining the sentences with relative pronouns. Okay. Relative clauses or adjective clauses. A clause which begins with relative pronoun is called relative clause or adjective clause. Who or which or that, whom and whose are relative pronouns. Who or whose and whom are used for persons. Which is used for things and that is used for persons and things, that is used for both. Okay. There are two models to combine the sentences using who or which or that or where or whom. Model 1, subject is equal to subject, subject type. If the two subjects are same, remove the second subject and the concerned relative pronoun should be written in place of the second subject. Now it has become a relative clause. Then divide the first sentence into two parts, for example, subject and predicate. Subject of the first sentence should be written first. The relative clause should be written after the first subject. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Dear friends, let me give an example. For model 1, subject model, Nick had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Full stop. He was teased and bullied. Full stop. Now combine the sentences using who. In the first sentence, subject is Nick. Predicate is the white colored pot. Had an electric wheelchair for mobility. In the second sentence, subject is he. The predicate is green colored pot. Now we see the subjects of two sentences are equal. So it is called subject is equal to subject model. As for structure, first we should remove the subject of the second sentence. In place of second subject, who is placed in place of deleted subject. Now, the who was teased and bullied has become a relative clause. First, we should write the subject of the first sentence. After that, the relative clause should be placed after the Nick. Then we should split the first sentence into two parts, subject plus predicate. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Subject plus relative clause plus predicate of the first sentence. చూడండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, నిక్కు హీ ఈక్వల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి నిక్ ప్లేస్లో హీ ప్లేస్లో హూను రెండవ క్లాజును రాసి అది రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్గా మారింది. మొదటి క్లాజ్లో సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్రెడికేట్గా విడగొట్టి మొదటి క్లాజ్లో సబ్జెక్టుకు ప్రెడికేట్ మధ్యలో ఈ రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్ను యాడ్ చేయాలి. Next, go for the second example. The meeting was a great success. Full stop. It was held in the town hall. Combine the sentences using which. In the two subjects are same in the two sentences. Remove the second subject and the concerned relative pronoun which is placed in place of it. Which was held in the town hall is become relative clause. First we should write the subject to the first sentence, the meeting. After that we should write the relative clause, subject plus relative clause. We should split the first sentence into subject and predicate. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Now the sentence has become the meeting which was held in the town hall was a great success. Okay. Friends, now we move to second model. This is object subject model. Object is equivalent to subject. Model 2, object is equal to subject. If the subjects are different, if the object of the first sentence, object of the first sentence and the subject of the second sentence are the same, then the subject of the second sentence should be removed and the concerned relative pronoun should be written in place of the second subject. Okay. ఇచ్చిన వాక్యాలలో రెండు సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేరువేరుగా ఉండి ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఆబ్జెక్టు మరియు సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్ సబ్జెక్టు ఒకటే అయితే, ఈక్వల్ అయితే, సెకండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ను రిమూవ్ చేసి దాని స్థానంలో కన్సర్న్ రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ హూ ఆర్ విచ్ ఆర్ దట్ రాయాలి. రెండు వాక్యాల మధ్యలో కన్సర్న్ రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ రాసి మొదటి వాక్యం యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా రాసి తర్వాత రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్ రాసి వాక్యం పూర్తయినట్లు లెక్క. ఓకే. లెట్స్ టేక్ ఎన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. Full stop. It helps him balance. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. Full stop. It helps him balance. Combine the sentences using which. Here Nick is a subject. Has is a verb. A small foot is an object. Here it is the subject of the second sentence. It and the small foot are the same. Object of the first sentence, subject of the second sentence are the same. Now here small foot is equal to it. It refers to foot. So it is replaced by which. Now which helps him balance has become a relative clause. First we should write the first sentence as usually. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. Now the relative clause should be written after the first sentence. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance. Okay. Now let's move to second example for model 2, object subject model. The Mahaprasthanam is a popular book. Full stop. It was written by Sri Sri. Combine the sentences using which. The object of the first sentence, subject of the second sentence are the same. Here it refers to book. So object of the first sentence, subject of the second sentence are the same. We should remove the it. Here which is placed in place of it. Now which was written by Sri Sri has become a relative clause. First we should write the first sentence as usually. The Mahaprasthanam is a popular book which was written by Sri Sri. The relative clause should be written after the first sentence. Now the sentence has over.